people in this game. I don't know where are the other 4. You could be the audience today. We're gonna start, guys. So our topic is combining like terms and equivalent expression. Let's start. Nine seconds. There you go. The correct answer is set of numbers or variables with the same terms and exponents. So there you go. There are 19 of you got it right. Next.
Who put the yellow one?
It was them, the Kahoot people. All right, so Katie was there. Marvin, Chris, Malia, and Nenkis. Let's go next question. Which correctly and completely expands 5n? Which correctly and completely expands 5n? Can you unclick it? No? Alright, I know right away that you guys gonna get that answer. Right? N times n times n. Remember, this is n to the power of 6. Expand means break it away. So that's the answer. Give me a moment. Let me pause this. Go to the next question. Well, this one, Katie, Malia got it right. Haley, Katie, Emmy, and Ebony. Here you go. Next. Which term is a simplified form of x plus x plus x? Go ahead. Remember the rules. I like this. This is like I'm in a game show. 3 seconds. Whoa, there's 3 people who did not get the first examples that we got. So x plus x plus x, how many x's are there when we simplify that? We have 3x. If this is times, like x times x times x, then your answer is the red one, right? X to the power of 3. Those are 2 different rules. Expansion and multiplication. All right, don't make that mistake again. Let's go to the next one. Let's see who's the winner over here. Malia is still in the lead. Haley's coming. Ebony, look at that. All right, let's go next. Combine like terms 4x and 3x. 4x plus 3x. That was fast. And there are still 3 people who did not get that. Well, now you multiply it. So see, I have 4x and I have 3x. How many x do I have now? So I have 7x. If that's multiplication, 4 times 4x times 3x, that will be 12. But then the exponent can be the power of 2. The rules of exponent, okay, guys? All right, next question. But let's see first the winner for this one. Still, Malia is unbeatable. Wow, Haley's coming. And look, at Egg is coming hot. Let's go to the next one. Combine like terms again. Remember the rules. 4c plus 5c plus 6c. How many c's do you have now? haven't played Kahoot for so long. I missed this. Oh, so almost everybody got this right. I am so happy, except for one person that thinks that you have to multiply, but you don't have to do that. So it's just like I have four chocolate, five chocolate bars, and six chocolates. How many chocolates do I have now? So now I have 15. C. All right. Let's see who's the winner for this one. Still Malia, still Haley, and there are 7 players reach the answer for victory. Let's go next question. Here we go again. Combine like terms. Remember only the same terms. So you have 5a plus 4b plus 8a plus 3b. Only the same term. Go ahead. One second. There we go. So we can only combine the same term. All right. So A and B. So how many A's are there? So there are 13 A's. And how many B are there? So there are 7 B. We cannot combine A and B because they are not the same. So you're gonna make this 20AB unless this is 5AB, 4AB, 8AB, 3AB, then you could say it's 20AB, but that's not the case in this one. We group only the A and we group only the B. Let's see who's the winner. Oh, Malia, what's going on? You better take your place back. Ikis is like taking it away from you. So Marvin hits 3 already. Good, Marvin. Like that. Next one. I'm gonna have sore throat with this. So combine 40H minus, I am very loud, 36H. So combine 40H minus 36H. Remember, I stress it to the word. Be careful, Emily. Don't do that because you cannot go back. It's why you're blaming the Kahoot. It's you, click. Alright. See, I told you that I stress the word. 48 minus, remember? 36 8. So I know right away that you guys gonna pick 76 because you're gonna add them, but it's so obvious that this is minus, so the answer is 4H. So Ekis is still on the top. And where are the others who were here before? So there are 5 of you. I know you lost it. Okay, never mind. Take it back, Liam. Next.
No, I'm on my 6th.
That's good. Alright, so let's do this question. Combine like terms. 8 and Z minus 10Y plus 22 plus 2Z plus 6Y. You could only combine the same terms. And make sure you remember the rule of integers. Oh, come on, Emmy. Why? It's okay. This way, when I give you the real test, now you know. So here, this is a very good practice that we'll see, yes, I made that wrong. So in an actual test, we will not get it wrong. So our answers are scattered, right? It's because there are 2 rules we're thinking about here. Rule of combining like terms and rule of integers. So if you look at 8 and Z plus 2Z, because those are 2 the same category or the same term. So since it's 18 plus 2, so we add that. And then here, the rule of integers is gonna fall in. So minus 10 plus 6. So that becomes negative 4. That's why the answer is here. And you guys are scattered because I think you need to remember that the previous lessons that you learned, you're not letting it go, you're not forgetting it. You're still gonna apply lessons you've learned to the new lessons. All right. So negative 10 plus 6 is, it's negative 4. So let's see who got this right. Ekis is still there. Haley's coming up. So let's go next question. Simplify. These are all A's. So you have to be careful. All you have to think is the rules of integers, adding integers. So negative 6a plus 12a minus 4a plus 15a minus 7a. You don't even have to think of expressions because these are all a's. That's good, Emmy. 13 seconds. I'm scared for this one. Oh, I was a little bit scared that we guys have that we got like flat graph in our answer, but I'm happy that most of you got it correct. So negative 6 plus 12 is positive 6, minus 4 is 2, plus 15 is 17, minus 7 is 10. There you go. Let's see who got this. Ekis and Haley. Malia is going back. Why are you so intense? I think I make it more intense, right? Ekis. Question number 10. Amy sells 2 magazines per day and Hector sells 4 per day. Which expressions show this? So Amy sells 2 magazines per day. Hector sells 4 per day. Which expression shows this scenario? This is easy. I want everybody to get correct on this. I'm scared. Okay, that's a good one. It's not that bad. So it says 2, so that's 2D, and then 4, and that's 4D. You could say 4D plus 2D. No one gets 8D. I was scared that you guys gonna multiply 4 times 3 equals 8, but it says which expression shows this. So because of the word and, so we're adding it, not subtracting. But if it says what's the difference of their sell of the how much they sell, then you have to go with the blue. But then it doesn't say that. The word and makes it an addition problem. There you go. I can still the hill and no one changed. It's just a number. It's so funny. Nice, Joanna's back and answered 3 in a row. Next question. Amy sells 2 magazines per day. Wait, this is okay. This is different. This is the same but different. So it's a continuation of the other one. I think I accidentally give you the answer for this last question. Everyone should get this right. It's too easy.
I'm gonna rejoin because it's glitching.
It's okay. It's okay. Just watch it, Fiona. It's fine. So here, so 2 plus 4 is 60. Others did. Do you remember what I told you last question? You're not multiplying it. You're adding it. All right, then. It's okay. We make mistake. There you go. Next question. We're almost there, guys. Expressions show an equivalent form of 4 times 2c. So which expression represents 4 parentheses 2c? I'll be quiet. I think you're being bugged by me like cheering you up. All right. So 4 times 2c. Exact. Oh, Malia. I know right away you're gonna say something. It says which expression or expressions show an equivalent form of 4 times 2c. I was thinking about that too, but it should not only be the red one, it should not be only the blue one, but it should be the red and the blue. And it is 2c 2. That's why I remember you saw me counting this. So it's just to make sure. So 2c 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 and that one 8c. I know it was a tricky one because this is which expressions. I'm sorry. I know they always give you a tricky one at the end, but still we got Haley and a kiss for that. I will not make core story anymore. There you go. Question 13. Which expression shows Lucy scores 8 points per game, Irma scores 3 per game, and Lai scores 4 per game?
You put in the chat.
What do you need? I don't read the chat. Why do you think that yellow should not be an answer? They are all games.
Different variables, even though all of them say per game.
Correct. So they are not the same. So LE and L. So they are all per game. So the variable should be represented the same way. So another tricky one. And Ekis Haley Malia is there. Emmy is coming back up. All right. So next question. Let me read the chat. Which expression shows again? Lucy scores 8 points. Emma 8 points per game. Irma scores 3 per game, and Lai scores that per game. So which one of these represents the scenario? So let me see our chat. How much more? I think we have like 3 more questions. You should get this right. Oh, still? You're gonna say 3 times 3 is 9, and the total is not 9. So you're gonna have 8 plus 3 plus 4, and they have all the same game. So still the red one. All right. I like this. This is a very nice review. All right, next one. 4 more of our agony. So which is equivalent to 3n plus 4 plus 3n plus 6 equals 40? Go ahead. A little bit tricky one. Just ignore the equals 40. Remember, only the same term. Oh wow, not everybody were able to answer this. Why? That's why I said just ignore equals 40. Okay, so 3n and 3n gives you 6n, and then 4 plus 6 gives you 10. You cannot answer this as 16n because 6n plus 10 are not equivalent expressions. So 10 is 10 and 6n is with a group of n. So remember that, only the same term. Alright, so still the same group of people in the top. And Katie is making that 3 in a row. Here we go. 3n plus 4 plus 3n plus 6 equals 40. What do you think n should be so it's gonna be equal to 40? I'll be quiet. You have to practice your mental math, guys. There we go. I really expect that this question gonna be scattered all over the place. So if I gonna go get my pen for a second, we'll go for this question. Okay. What was the question again? I hide it. So let me see. Question is 3n plus 4, 3n plus 6. So let's go over this question. So 3n plus 4 and then plus 3n plus 6 equals, can somebody tell me what is equals 4? Is that 40? Was that 40?
Yeah.
Okay, so 3n and 3n, that gonna give us 6n.
Yes.
And then plus 10.
Yes.
All right, so plus 10 equals 40. Not solving using equation, just by mental math we do. What should I multiply to 6 so that I could add 10 and everything will be 40? So you could just say 6 times 6 36 plus 10. Oh, that doesn't work. 6 times 8 is 48 plus 10. Oh, that doesn't work. 6 times 10, 60. Oh, definitely doesn't work. So 6 times 5 times and 6 times 4 is 30 plus 10, that's 40. That just by substituting the value and just seeing if it's equivalent. So that's good enough. All right, since we are just making a chop chop answer for this one. All right, that was a little review too. So let's proceed to our next question. I think this is second to the last. All right, a little bit change of the score. So 17 questions, 17th question. So 60 plus 2 equals 4c plus 14. What will c gonna be? So just look. What will I do with c to make it equivalent to each other? Question got harder, huh? So only 16. Emmy, as long as we participate in this game, everyone gets the full credit. We always do that. So no matter what you score at the end, whoever is the first one, remember when we played the game before, whoever is the top 5, they got 105 as their score. And whoever is not the top 5 but participated in the game will get 100. Okay, is that fair enough? Should you not worry? So good. So this is Marvin, even you participated, as long as you participated, you got 100. But uh, if you're a member of the top 5, then you got 105. I give credits for those who really like try their best to be at the top 5. Okay, so this one is 6C and 4C. So you subtract. Did you guys already did equations with Miss Goldberg? Not yet. But in 6th grade you did. So here you just process of, yes, in 6th grade we did. So we just gonna try our best to like put this in and evaluate them. Or you could actually do minus 4C, so that becomes 2C. And then 14 minus 2, that becomes 12. So 4 divide, and then we got 12 divided by 2, that gives you 6. We'll deal with that in future. All right. I think this is the what question are we now? We're almost done, right? Okay, second to the last. Choose the correct expression.
Are we on the next question?
This is the next question. Here's the question over here. Did you read it? So Lynn spent $40 on the shirt and bought 3 hats. Lou spent $25 on the shirt and bought 2 hats. 1 and 5. The time is so fast. I couldn't even read it. If you got this wrong, well, what can we do? Which expressions shows this? Oh, that was fast. All right, 9 is to 9. Even score. All right, we're gonna deal with more of equations, guys, in the future. So if you get it wrong, it's okay. All right, next question. I know. Reem says, yay! Last question, people. I know, even me, I was not able to read it. So I didn't really expect you guys to get that. Even me myself, I was so fast. Even I talk so fast. So she spent 40 in the shirt. It's the same story with the one. All right, we might get this wrong too because I couldn't even read the question.
What is the question?
I don't know if you could make the question. Lynn spent 40 on the shirts and 3 on the hats. Lou spent 25 on the shirts and bought 2 hats. 105 was spent on all. So what is the cost?
Question?
It's okay. Whatever you answer for this one, I'm okay with it. Because even me, I could not read a question. And this, we could skip this question. Alright, I'll skip that because it makes no sense for us to look at it and we could not even read the question. Alright. So who are our winners, Malia?
I was gonna answer it.
Mwah, Fiona, it's okay. So who's our first? Haley! Woo-hoo. We'll do it again, don't worry. So the runners up are Lisa and Albert. Congratulations, guys. So those are my top 5 who gonna get 105 points in their classwork for the day. Congratulations, guys. And we're gonna play some kind of this game again next time. So with that said, our time is up. I could let you go. You got tired, Malia. Congratulations, everyone. Bye-bye, though. I'll let you go. Get a permission to leave. Bye.
Bye. Can I just get credit?
Of course, you got 100 points. Remember? You got 100 points?
Can I get credit?
You have 100 points, Fiona.
Yeah, okay, bye.
All right, bye-bye.